Today we'll have a picture comparison between GoPro Hero 10 Black and iPhone 12 Pro Max. I decided to compare these two side by side in same setup with same objects and trying to keep it as fair as possible for both and really see how they're performing. And I have made one earlier comparison video which was done mostly indoors and pictures taken outside were mostly evening time in low light environment and outcome surprised me a bit. But this time we'll do it outside in bright daylight, sun shining or cloudy, but not in low light environment. And there were some surprising results. So let's jump into it and I'll put both photos on screen side by side and we can have a look. And you can guess which one is taken with iPhone or GoPro. And let's see if you're right. Okay, so first up, we'll start with the picture from this small wooden bridge in the forest. One on the left and one on the right, and they are very similar. Can you guess which one is from iPhone and which one from GoPro? Similar way, next we have this water area in pictures. And now showing pictures from other wooden bridge where sun is causing quite surprising and different results. And at this point I'll just stop talking for a while and let comparison pictures to roll on and I'll let you guess which one is which and we'll have some conclusions soon. So there was a small difference. I was a bit surprised on some pictures where sun caused big reflection, but mostly there was barely any difference, but still there was some. Mostly still with brightness and colors. If I would compare iPhone 12 and 13, probably would be difficult to spot any difference, but here there was small difference that can be detected. How was your observations? Did you guess which one is which? Let me know in the comments. And if you haven't seen my earlier comparison video done mostly indoors and outside pictures were in low light environment, It's shown here and I'll add the link to description as well. It's quite interesting. And if you're new to this channel, I'm an engineer that has passion for everyday technology, health technology, smart home, but also personal finance and lifestyle topics. You'll find me also from social medias shown here. And if you made it this far, I hope today's video was useful. Please drop a like and let me know in the comments your observations, experiences, or if you have any questions. I'll try to answer all. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.